Hello everyone. This sound demonstration video features my adaptation of the EMD 710G3A Loksound sound file for Indian Railways WDG4 EMD diesel locomotive models. The project features different startup sequences, prototypical horns, auxiliary power unit operation, a modified compressor, and many more sound customizations. So let's listen to the mesmerizing humming sounds in my HO scale WDG4 locomotive model. The sound project gives the user two types of prime mover startup options. A single click of the function button F1 initiates a normal startup of the prime mover, complete with alarm, fuel pump priming sound, flashing emergency lights, and cranking of the prime mover. Notice how the lights dim during cranking to simulate the current draw from the batteries. To add a bit of intrigue to model railroad sound modeling, this sound project has a unique feature, a simulated misfired startup that is initiated by double-clicking the F1 function button. Subsequent startup attempts are user-initiated by double-clicking again on the F1 function button after the misfired startup. The sound project is programmed to randomly create up to 5 misfiring events before the prime mover finally starts up. Don't miss the subtle variations in engine RPM as the prime mover finally ignites and settles into its rhythmic idle. The sound project also incorporates the option of switching to auxiliary power unit or APU during very long idling times. This is initiated through user input by pressing the function button for the brake and bringing the reverser to neutral, operated by the function button F13. This shuts down the prime mover and turns on the APU sound. Don't miss the baby compressor that switches on and off at regular intervals to maintain brake pressure while the locomotive is idling under the APU, just as in the prototype. Turning off function button F13 simulates the locopilot putting the reverser to drive position, which cuts out the APU and restarts the prime mover. The sound project also has 3 unique EMD horns and a modified compressor tied to the throttle to simulate shaft-driven compressor systems, all of which can be played using independent function buttons. Hope you enjoyed the thundering sounds of this 2-stroke diesel locomotive coming out of this tiny model. And do check out my other videos on WDG4 horns and braking logic customization, links for which are in the description and will pop up at the end of this video. Happy modeling!